Hey everybody, it's from Henry's Tattoos. I'm going to show you how to make Persian Zereshk Polo. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so just in a bowl here I've got some Zereshk. Now this comes in a dry form. So the first thing you want to do is check it. Make sure there's no stones in it because it's a very common problem. Stones and also stems. So that's looking pretty good. So what we're going to do is top this up with some cold water. Just like so. Now we want to let this soak for about 10 minutes before we do anything else. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes, so what we're going to do now is just strain this. Just like that. So let's move on to our stove. Alright guys, so just into a saucepan on a low heat, I'm going to add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay, beautiful. So once that's pretty much all melted, we'll add our Zereshk straight into our pan. We'll get that all out. To this we're going to add 1 tablespoon of white sugar as well. And we'll also add about a tablespoon of saffron water. And let's just mix that together, just like so. So all we're doing guys is cooking this for about, it's roughly around 2 to 3 minutes until our Zereshk has softened up. But be careful not to burn it because it's very easy to burn this. You just want to give it just a little bit of colour. Alright guys, so as you can see we have a gentle boil going. Our Zereshk has puffed up, butter's being absorbed, but more importantly the colour's going a bit darker. So let's turn the heat off, because there'll still be enough heat in the pan to continue cooking it. But make sure you keep on stirring it. That's looking beautiful. Alright guys, so just into a bowl here, I've got 4 cups of cooked rice. I'll leave a link in the description on how to make Persian rice. What we're going to do is add in our Zereshk straight in. Just like so. And I'm also going to add in about a tablespoon of saffron water to our rice. And let's give this a good mix together. And you can see that starting to come together beautifully. And there we have it guys, so this is very commonly served with chicken Maryland. I'll leave the link in the description on my recipe on how to make that. Now other than that, you can also put some pistachio on top to garnish it. We used to in my restaurant, I don't anymore because so many people have nut allergies, so it's just safer not to. I hope you liked that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.